Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. Glad you all here. See if we can catch another nice trade today. Let's be patient and no forcing trades. 3-0 on the week. So
Said it, bro. I literally said it.
The bear signal.
The bear knows. All right, Gene, I gotta grab my glasses. You want to say hi to everyone? Gene wants to say good morning. I gotta grab my glasses.
let's do this. Sipping some good coffee right now, so I apologize in advance for the sipping noises. What's that called for the people watching them videos, people eating and stuff? What are you watching for, Greg?
Nice.
Right now, I'm waiting, to be honest.
Told you guys. The shorts, bro.
But most likely I'm gonna wait for 3 to 4. It will go there. If not, I'm gonna be waiting for 035. On NQ. On ES, we have 6406. 6406.5. Potential rejection point there.
All right, let's get it. Let's get to the money. I gotta share my screen too. Sorry, guys. I honestly wasn't. Oh, here, hold on. Can you guys make me host, please?
The hostess with the mostest.
What's up? That was the bear.
Let's see what we get here. I see a possible reject on NQ up around that VWAP. 23,300 to 23,290 for a possible short. I'm gonna watch that. Nice.
I'm staying patient today, trading smart, trading safe as always. One good trade today is all it takes. Whoops. One good trade a day is all it takes. One good trade a day keeps a lot of life's problems away.
If nothing else, it pays for the steak. So.
Yes, or at a minimum, it pays for the steak. That is true. That is very correct.
I trade to pay taxes every year. That's why I trade.
Yeah. That's what it feels like, huh?
Literally. What's up, YouTube? If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Let's run up the thumbs up. Ask any questions, any conversations you would like to have.
Caffeine fix going.
Let's have them.
You did, huh? You got iced Americano? Why? You're just vibing with the iced Americano or what?
Yes. We got the PMI at 945, and that 10 we have
I can vibe with it, bro.
existing home sales and U.S. leading economic indicators. Yeah, reject early here, everyone.
The Riker turns 2 tomorrow. How crazy is that? Ow. Already. Time freaking flies, man. Tell you guys what. Time freaking flies. I gotta plug this.
Good morning.
Here you go. All right, we're plugged in.
Tell him I said happy birthday.
Oh, Riker. Uncle Grizzly says happy birthday, even though he's in trouble for going through our trash.
Yeah.
Bro's in trouble, but we're still gonna wish him a happy birthday. Gene is here. Mr. Gene is in the house. He's on time for once. Bro's like, I was late one time. 100 times, same thing, tomato, tomato. Bro, the terrible twos are already here.
Kimber, I'm not for sure on that.
They came early for us, but they came.
I don't see why not, though.
He's naughty.
It's interesting. Come on, get up there.
Discipline over dopamine is the way. All right, let's find ourselves a nice winning setup.
This is Ari. I'm watching everyone for a short entry on NQ.
Just gotta find one good trade today. What level did you say you were watching for a reject, Grizzly? That 300?
We touched the bottom of the zone there, so it could reject here and we might miss it, but I want a little higher for my entry. But if we miss it, I'm okay with that. I wanted a little better risk to reward there. And looks like it's going to reject early. Yeah, we do have PMI in 5 minutes too, so.
Got data in 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Getting our London highs and lows marked too. All right. We are all set up and destined for success.
Yep, it's rejecting without us. Touched VWAP perfectly though.
We're at that rejection area from Tesla yesterday too. That 322, 323, that support turn resistance.
That's a shame, huh? It's a shame. Why I didn't take that trade? Just a little too much risk. I wanted my average to be closer to 300, but I guess I could have took a starter piece up there, but I didn't. Anybody drinking any good coffee right now? Just me?
Waiting.
You drink coffee, Greg? You never talk about it much.
Yeah, I drink, but no. Normally I wait 9 a.m. here where I am.
What time is it there now?
7:42.
Okay.
It's too early for me. Normally my first coffee is at 9:30.
Same time zone as us, Greg. That's cool.
Yes, sir.
I swear, the people that live the longest drink the most coffee. The people I've known. They drink coffee all day.
Man, my grandpa used to drink, I don't know, 10 cups of coffee every day. That's too much. Normally drink 2, maximum 3.
Yeah, true, Nigel. That's awesome, C-Train. Love to see you win, man. Don't trade today. Get that payout in the bank. Maybe don't trade tomorrow. Just enjoy your weekend, all right? Come back next week. Let's try to do the same. Yeah, he's telling me about the early bird drink. I've never tried it. I need to. All right, data's dropping, everyone. 30 seconds.
Get data in 15 seconds.
15 seconds. 7 seconds.
3. Good morning. What a nothing burger.
Uh-oh.
That one goes, yep, your left hand goes first.
Don't you do it.
Come on. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a low day without us. I told you we should have taken the shorts on bear confirmation. It's all you needed, bro, was the bear confirmation.
Man, that was the spot for shorts. The stupid data.
Yeah, it's tough when you have data. It can go either way. It's easy to say, oh, I knew I should have done that when there's data and it goes your way, but if it would have went up, we would have been like, oh, thank goodness. we didn't take that trade, you know? That's how I look at things. That's how I look at it.
We got about 90-point
Wow.
range.
Opening range is set though.
Yep.
That's good. Get that out of the way. Opening range is set. Now we can start getting to work on finding some.
Trends, Ryan. You always want to enter off a higher low or a lower high.
Told you guys the bear. Should have just listened to myself. Full ported some puts. I gotta get my option chain set up too. I totally forgot about that. Getting used to doing that every day again. We gotta get back to the humble Honda days trading options. Y'all apparently love when I do that, so. It's alright, I'll just age a little quicker, lose my hair a little quicker. As long as we get the humble Honda out for y'all. It's a win, right? I'll go to Turkey, buy some new hair. Alright, now we're set in stone. And what a bounce. That right there is why you don't take the break out of the opening range low, you wait for the close.
That's exactly right.
That right there is why you wait. Hi, Riker. Hey, bud. You wave hi? Hi. You came in here yesterday and my internet went out.
You unplugged it. Can everyone still hold on a second? Can everyone still hear me on YouTube? Just want to check. We're still waiting on the setup here. We had one possible entry. Hesitation / data knocked us out of that trade. All right, awesome. More data. Appreciate that, Paula. I'm not in a trade right now. I'll let you all know if I take anything. Promise. I promise. We're gonna catch the move. We're just gonna be patient. There's no trades to be made here. Yeah, the orb strategy is still valid right now. That should be interesting, Michael. That should be interesting. Can we get the thumbs up at the top, YouTube? I would appreciate it. Just take a second, hit the thumbs up for me. I like to see 100 today. We've had 3 winning days in a row on here. Gonna try to keep it 4. If not, if we take a losing trade today, it will be well managed. Well managed. I agree, Keith. That's what we need. What's ES doing? I haven't even looked at it yet. Ooh. It's ugly too. Ugly as well this morning. ES, rather. Oh, I want shorts still. I'm just waiting on the setup. $49. More news at 10. Yes. See, Train, I would wait till it was in my bank personally, but I don't know. I was always very sketchy or very cautious when, waiting. Starting to like shorts again here, but we do have data in 2 minutes. So a safe bet would be to wait.
All the
Data's about to drop, everyone. Just a heads up.
Google's not selling off yet. Apple not quite at low a day, but not also growing. Let's see what our middle line's around 240. Our overall was around 234. Got the close below, but less volume on it.
Ding, ding, ding.
We got the close below that 6-minute low and a London low, so technically speaking, that part of the system is valid to look for shorts on a pop-up.
That was a win with the automated.
200.
Come on.
Unless we sell off first, and we're selling off first. We popped to 194. 85. All right, let's see this. We don't have higher volume, which immediately I don't love that. I like to see this candle have more aggressive selling. So I'm just gonna wait, stay patient. I like to see more aggressive selling when it comes to trying that initial short. We'll see how we react in this candle here. We'll see how we react here. If we don't get confirmation, I won't won't trade it. This is why I didn't take that initial pop back up. I found that when you have less aggressive selling volume or buying volume, when you have that 5-minute closure, you'll oftentimes see more fake outs. Now let me be clear, this could have happened too with higher volume here, but I just see this situation happening more often when we don't. That's why I stayed out. That is exactly why I stayed out and waited. Stayed super patient, guys. If we end up getting a higher volume close here, we have 3 more minutes, I'll look for a pullback down and then a long entry for the way up. But I'm not going to sit here and try to fight this. I hope you guys see exactly why I didn't try that orb there. Whenever we have a lower volume volume node.
I'm gonna mute for a minute so I can focus in. Let's see if we can catch a trade here. What is it? 60. So we're gonna be patient. This candle here looked great, but we had data all around this, so that's what we're seeing here. What a candle. I like it. I don't think, I mean, we could rip up some, but I'm still not crazy about longs here.
Here,
What's up?
50% retracement from, what'd you say, Grizzly?
I was reading the chat in Team Bull.
I'd love to see a pullback into here and then long. Oh, I got it. I do got the bear on camera. I got cameras everywhere. I just knew off the open we should have taken those shorts. Not because of any technicals, but because of the bear. See if we can get a pull back down into here.
Are you looking for longs?
I am. If you just see a short setup you like, though, take it, please.
I don't see anything at the moment.
I'm just trading my BPA system. I'm not going to take any longs until we get solid confirmation, though.
We had a nice possible entry there on that previous candle, but it's just too much risk.
Yep, I agree. I just want to see a little more pullback into that trend-setting candle with stops around like 200-ish. So I wasn't willing to try it on this breakout here. It would have, down to 200 would have been 60 points of risk. That's just too much for me. We'll see if they give us a clean 15-minute orb setup. I guess the ES is technically on the orb. We can watch ES for the orb. There's just too much risk on the trend-setting candle.
Need this market to chill. Give us an entry, right, YouTube? What are you all watching exactly? My stomach is growling.
There's the midline out here, 62.93. We pull back into this ES orb and get a little wake up. I may try the longs. Keep you guys posted. Keep you guys in the loop. Bro, the last time the bear came too, the market dumped off the open when we saw the bear. Come on, need a bit more pullback. Need a bit more pullback. Now, if we just have a bull come up to my driveway and, mess with the trash, that'd be great. Any farmers, if you got a bull in the lot, feel free to bring it over.
It's all fun and games, so it sticks the horns in the new Lambo.
Yeah. When's the bull showing up? That's the next question. I don't love these setups. I mean, technically speaking,
That's right, Daniel.
Not invalid. I just wanted a bit deeper of a pullback.
What's up, YouTube? Appreciate you all being here. It'd be awesome if we get the thumbs up to 100. We're so close. I'm not sold on longs, everyone. We'll see. Not sold on the longs. If we get a nice reversal candle that doesn't have too much risk.
Into here and a wick up. That's what I like to see on the CS.
Almost there. Need 3 more. Thumbs up.
Like to see.
I should just do like a massive giveaway on here. Appreciate you all. Excuse me.
Going like 6. That's what I like to see, the pull into this area right here.
Please don't sell off the entire move up on this candle. There you go, Corey.
So we can get a deeper pull back into this zone in here.
Yeah, I'm looking the area too. Looking 639, 638. Maybe take the runs around that area to go to 3 to 4.
Come on, give us a deeper pullback.
I have a 111. There's 111 38 or 38. 111 thumbs up. Appreciate it, YouTube. You all are the
speaking,
best.
It's not invalid here. Just want a little less risk on it. And it's going to give us continued push up, huh? They're not going to give us that full pullback into our zone. Doesn't look like they want to get it to us, my friends. And if not, that's okay. That's crazy.
We just didn't have an entry for longs, everyone.
Missing it by
Look at
1
this.
point, bro. That's going to be crazy.
We couldn't enter right here, right? We'd have this much risk. Just doesn't make sense. So don't feel FOMO. We're just going to be patient, just like we have been all week.
Annoying for the day, but so maybe NQ will give us a chance. ES looks like it's leading the way, so maybe NQ gets a nice higher volume candle here that we can try the longs, keep stops below the trend setting candle.
This is setting up for my main watch today, everyone. So don't feel like we're not watching something. If you look at SPY, which we still got a ways to go, but up around that 638.3 area on SPY, this is where I start watching for puts.
Farmers, come on over. Bring your bulls. Bring your bulls. Be sure. They're not going to give it to us on NQ, huh? Come on, give us a little push up. Close above 95. Nope. No entries for me, guys, here. I'm sorry, even if we keep moving up. No system entries. I think, do I look at ES and think, wow, yeah, this might keep going up? Yeah, totally. But is there any systematic entries that I can take and repeat over and over again? No, so I'm not going to take this ever.
I tried some shorts, everyone, on NQ. I'm in. NQ shorts.
Grizzlies in the shorts. Grizzly has entered the shorts.
If we break above this 303, that's the risk of the trade. So this is the only area I see. If we break above that previous day close, we will continue on up to pre-market high. Light size trade. We're on a winning streak, so I'm not looking to give back all week's profits, you know, for those that struggle with that. Stop will be 23,304. May get it.
Be show.
Or it may sell back off. We'll see. What is pumping right now? That's what I want to know. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. It's gonna do it. It did it. Jesus.
Tesla's making its way back up. Sorry, man.
I like that previous candle though on NQ.
Sorry, man.
3 to 4 guys. 2, 3, 3 to 4. Look in this level, approaching now.
If we get a strong candle on NQ here, if this close, I'll still look for the longs.
NVIDIA bounce, is that what caused it? NVIDIA?
I don't see much movement in the options chain either.
Crazy thing is, I still like shorts. I don't see. Better not do that to us.
Looking 3 to 4, but we reject early, so it's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. So most likely I'm gonna be passing this level and wait for the next above, which is 369. 2, 3, 369. We reject early like this because we reject 10 points earlier, so.
We don't have horrible volume, but not the volume I'd want to see. If we pull back to this 15-minute high, I'm open to looking at shorts in this area, or not shorts, excuse me, longs. Longs in this area with a stop below 273, so it'll only be about 17 point risk or so. Open to it. I'm being very picky with my entries today. Pull back into the zone, I'm open to the longs. Need a proper retest. If we don't get a proper retest, I'm fine with missing the upside setup. If we had aggressive volume and some really aggressive trend setting candle here with higher volume, I might be open to taking an early entry, like right here, for example. But from what we've seen so far, I'm not willing to do that. I'm willing to put on 15, 17, 20 points of risk, but not 30 to 40.
Puts us at 3-1 on the week. I'm still looking for another setup, another trade though. So
Not seeing much on Bookmap either. There's no true retest today. Not yet. Man, they're really gonna keep going, huh? I may be being a little too patient today, but that's a good problem to have long term. There's just not enough volume for me today. It's just not enough volume. Remember, everyone, we are day traders, not trade everyday traders. We may keep moving on up. If we would have taken that 300 entry, it'd only be up to about 15 points right now. And at 300, you would have had to have stops below the trend setting candle, which is 300 to 27, which is 27 points of risk. So at 327, that would technically be 1-to-1. If we get up to 327, we missed out on a 1R trade. I just like to see higher 5-minute volume than previous candles. It's not a specific number, but it's all relative. We're gonna keep moving up too. Man.
I just don't see why we're moving up. I don't see it.
I touching 3 to 4. I'm looking right now.
Why couldn't they have given us a move down to 290 area first? Why couldn't we have gotten that? I think we could definitely hunt London highs for sure. Especially with how bearish the market's been, I just wanted a little bit of risk on it. Especially trading strictly from intraday. Remember to breathe sometimes. You gotta remind myself of that sometimes. Just remember to breathe. Of course, it went up to 1-to-1 spot. We're staying disciplined though, and that's good. Yeah, it's frustrating, but we follow the system. When you follow the system, how can you have FOMO?
Looking guys getting ready with the empty short, but not yet. Wait.
No way.
Discipline over dopamine is correct. Watching this carefully. Didn't get deep enough for me yet. That's what she said.
Too far.
Got to 300, but no deep enough pullback. Come on. 300 again.
Well, well. At least we have the spy. YouTube, I need everyone to watch this. This is the main level I have today. Could it possibly be full size if I take it as well? The spy reject. SPY.
Oh, this price action's frustrating me, man.
Yep.
Volume's not confirming for how I trade.
It just doesn't make sense to me. Like it literally not the best. I was expecting. I guess the reason I'm a little disappointed, I was expecting today to be the best trading day this week.
Jackson Hole is. I don't know if it's today. Is it today? Or is it this weekend? It's tomorrow. Let's do this weekend. I think.
The only way.
Man.
Welcome in.
Annoyed. Not FOMO, but annoyed. Because we followed the system.
All right, the only way. We got you. We understand. You can hang out if you would like.
Hourly is looking good on NQ. Oh my gosh.
And the rest of it looking is 369. What a patient it is. What a patient. 23369.
Repeat after me. I will not chase.
All right, the
I will
only
not
way.
chase.
I hate to be the one to block you out here doing the work.
Yeah, we're up
but
6K in the week, real cash, but
oh, let's see. Now focus back in. We tried to trade and we lost. We managed to risk. That's all we can do. A 5-minute candle will trick anybody. It looked good. We was still above VWAP.
decent candle. It's gonna get down to like this 20. I see an okay setup. We had a solid amount of volume on this. We can still chase the London highs. I'm gonna look for a pullback down to this 20 area. A little more. You guys know if I enter. I haven't entered yet.
Jadon's looking for an entry on
I haven't
NQ.
entered yet.
You're looking for a long entry, right?
Yeah,
On NQ?
yeah. I haven't entered yet though. entered. Have not entered anything, guys.
How about now?
Need more confirmation. It's not giving it to me between my 1 and my 5 minute. No entries, guys. No entries. No entries, no entries, no entries. Back to the opening range high. We already got a solid 40, 50 point move from it though, so I can't, that goes against the system too. And that's why you wait for confirmation. I don't just blindly, oh, high or low here, buy. I need to see volume and price confirmation if I'm going to take something.
Has any of these volume candles been enough for your system though?
No.
I didn't think so.
Even now, technically speaking, with the system, we move back to this 290, but we've already moved 50 points above it. So that anything above 40 points typically takes out my setup. It could bounce here at 290 and go up, but again, for how the system works, it goes against it.
That's funny. I'm doing my best, YouTube.
If we can get a strong candle here, like if we had a wick up to 320, I'd try longs with a stop below like 297. If we got up to like 320 again here on this.
I have not liked longs all day. Is it just me?
I have a 20, 25 point risk on it and shoot for high a day and then London high.
I still like shorts. I think it's just one of them days it's just pushing up past their stop and should sell back off. I wouldn't be surprised to see low day again today. I hope it prints for you then, Keith.
So, no setups for me yet, guys. I'm not taking these longs. I'm not taking the longs without confirmation. We'll see if the reverse orb plays out. We could end up bouncing here, guys. It is the 15-minute high, but we've already moved 50, 60 points previously from the high. I'm not playing ping pong with this damn market. I'm waiting for an A+ setup. Targeting London high. So London high here is up at 370. So when we don't touch that, we're in a trend heading towards that. We're heading towards the London low. We closed above. Higher red volume, but right above the 15-minute high still. No longs for me in that case either. I really got to use the restroom, but I don't want to miss a good setup.
You got to throw on some of one of Rocker's
Maybe it is-
diapers
maybe
before
it-
trading.
Maybe I just have Gene sees the setup. He can just take it for me. He knows the system.
Use the bucket.
Yeah.
High is 346. $15-minute chart here. Let's look at how this is looking. This is still technically holding lower volume on this previous candle.
I want shorts so bad here again.
I know that's honestly what I'm looking at this point too, with this last fucking candle.
Look into the shorts.
There's so much risk.
Yeah, but price action is. Look in the shorts too.
Let's see if the P indicator works. I'm gonna get out, use the restroom. I'm sure you guys are gonna massively move down while I'm gone for 2 minutes. Gene, if you see a good trade, take it a mic now. You guys better be nice to Gene. Better be nice to Gene.
Gene, open up his account, buy some Boeing. He loves that stuff.
Boeing?
Yeah, BA. He loves it.
That's hilarious.
The thing in Q guys. Give it a try.
Greg said he's in NQ shorts, everyone.
In 3, 2, 8.
I'm not, but Greg tried some shorts.
Stop loss is at 07.
YouTube,
07.
what futures trading platforms do you all like besides Tradeovate? I need to open up another account to run some of these automated strategies. Which ones do you like the best for actual money, for cash? No, Austin, I wasn't talking about the prop firms. I'm talking about real.
How you doing?
Greg's in shorts.
Greg's in the shorts. Let it rip down, baby.
NQ shorts wearing pants.
What was your entry?
288. 23288.
288. It's looking good so far.
Trimming some here, guys.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you. Stop loss at break even. We already trimmed some 20 points already. Keep going down, baby.
Nice job, Greg. So far, so good.
Thank you very much.
I just want to know why we had to pump up to there before selling off. Couldn't have just done this earlier with that candle.
Shorts too. If we get a weak close here in the next minute. More seconds on it.
Come on, push down for Greg.
Push down for Greg. And then push up so we can get an entry, and then push down again.
Looks like you have room to 241 as of now, Greg.
70. Not a lot of volume.
Yeah, we just need to break this big one on QQ 5 minutes.
Try a small piece of NQ shorts. Let's pop up. Try a starter piece. Starter piece. I'm gonna pop up. I'd rather see 80 area, 70 to 80. Whether or not I got filled at.
Come on, push down. Come on. No, I'm not in the trade.
Not quite.
Not in the trade.
Come on, push it down.
Did I say that? I was saying I'm not in the trade. I don't know if Team Bull heard me.
All right, guys. I just stopped in this at break even. I'm gonna wait for a better entry. I don't love the volume on this candle, so if you want a little higher risk, you can keep your stops above 300. I just didn't get the ideal volume that I wanted. So I want to get a little better average if we move up and get a little more confirmation. Or if we close this candle, we go try again with stops go up 72. I will not play ping pong with it. I just need to see a little more confirmation. Come on.
I was hoping we break above pre-market highs because I got a nice supply zone on SPY I'm watching.
I don't like how we have this. If you look at our 5-minute chart, I don't like how we have this aggressive 5-minute candle with this fair value gap here as well that we're currently potentially bouncing in. That's another reason why sliced out a break even.
Where do you see your fair value gap at?
Yeah.
I mean, which one are you referring to?
Right here, if you look at screen share.
Also the QQQ big one.
Right here. I don't like that, so that's why I want to wait.
Closing the runners, guys. Runners close.
I don't like that. I don't like seeing that, so I need a little more confirmation.
Oh, on ES. I see it on ES.
We'll wait to see if we can get more confirmation in a re-entry, but called an audible. 5 minutes, the 5-minute hit play the fair value gap here. So it's definitely not what you want to see, so I'm just gonna wait. We need a BSI. $78. MQ U5. Watch it freaking move down now.
I'm not getting no clear read on it, so. YouTube, I think the best thing we can do is probably call it. I think we can all agree this isn't the price action we like to trade, especially in between pre-market high and low. We took the only possible reject I've seen back up into this around this previous day close, 23,
Still waiting.
300 area.
Still waiting, guys.
It just didn't work.
That's why those mile runners. Thank you also. One green tray, guys. Waiting for another one.
What would you all say, YouTube? This isn't it, huh? So we're 3-1 on the week.
Not super confident either way. I would say that we can watch for this reverse orb now. We're finally up here. Touched that 290. Got about 20 points of risk up to 300. We're also holding this previous impulse candle fair value gap really well. So it's just, there's not any super clear edge. How I trade at least right now.
I think the best. I think this is my thoughts. I think the best thing we can do, take our one losing trade that we managed well, stopped out exactly where we said we would. When we come back tomorrow, try to end the week strong. The only level I like now is the one I gave you on SPY. So appreciate you all showing up this morning. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?